G'day, Leigh from Marks 4 Drive. I'm here at our manufacturing facility in Melbourne, Victoria, and I'm here to show you around and show you what we do. Today I'm starting in our showroom, and here you can see we've got a wall of products that we manufacture. So a range of products from transfer case adapters, bell housing adapters, and these for engine conversions for LS V8s into Nissan Patrols and Toyota Hilux. We also manufacture low range gears for Land Cruisers and Nissan Patrols. We do fuel filters, catch cans. We also do handbrake conversions. Another big product for us is swivel housing. So we manufacture a lot here. It's all Australian made. All right, you'll see in the showroom. Let's go to the workshop and see where it's all made. One of the manufacturing processes we do here at Marks 4 Drive is gear cutting. So we've got our own gear cutting plant here. We've got probably 30, 40 gear cutting machines. Here you can see one of our portal output gears. So the portal axle output gear is being hobbed. There's a Sewa CNC hobbing machine. Here you can see the gear blank. So originally we turned this next door in our CNC lathe, and it comes in here and we gear cut it. For years now we've been doing all our own gear cutting. We do our Nissan Patrol low range gears, Mitsubishi low range gears, even the Land Cruiser low range gears, plus portal gears, spline shafts, all sorts of things. Everything here manufactured on site. I've got 3 buildings here. This is one of our main manufacturing facilities. It's all our NC machines. So I've got 10 NC lathes, I've got 6 NC milling machine centres, flatbed milling machine, and down the back corner here I've got a CNC cylindrical grinder. Got the Morosiki machining centre here, actually milling our spools for the part-time kits. So this is the 80 series, 100 series full-time transfer case to convert to part-time transfer. This is one of our 4-axis machining centres. It's a Morosiki, and we've got our Land Cruiser rear portal housing in it. So as you can see, we're just setting up on this now. We're just doing the first operation, and it's about a 45-minute cycle time. We saw this rear portal housing go into the machine a while ago. It's just finished, so we've got to pull it out now, and we'll take it down to quality control for inspection. An important part of the process in manufacturing at Marks 4 Drive is quality control. Here I've got a temperature controlled test room with a Brown & Sharp CMM or coordinate measuring machine, and here I have a Toyota Land Cruiser rear portal housing which has just come off the milling machine. As you can see, we've got one side that's machined, the other side is still unfinished, so it's just the first operation and we need to test it and make sure that it's correct. This is our fabrication and vehicle assembly, and we also do a lot of R&D in this workshop. Let's go and have a look. As you can see, we've got 2 vehicles here. They've actually just been finished today. Got both 76, brand new, with portal axles. So that car's pretty much standard. This car, we've actually added some ARB commercial bar, high mount woolen winch and brush bars. Both standard suspension, and they're ready for Toyota now to pick up and go back and do pre-delivery for the customer. All right, in the workshop here, I've actually got a Nissan Patrol. This is a 4.8 petrol 6-cylinder Patrol. We've pulled the engine out of that. We're putting a LS2 or 6-litre V8 into it. And on this hoist, this is your Sandy Torp dual cab Land Cruiser, again brand new. This is your typical portal axle build. We've actually put our tow bar on here with the recovery points. We've got our rear diff here, so it's a full fabricated rear diff. We've just got to finish the portals off, we've just got to put the wheel hub, wheel bearings and brakes on it. As you come around, you can see the front. The front is virtually complete. So, we've got our Delos brake rotors, portals, level springs, we've got our Ironman shocks. This thing won't be long and it'll be driving down the road. A lot of people in the social media at the moment are talking about portal axles, big tyres and lifts and everything, and legalities from state to state. Queensland's been a big problem of late. But yeah, their portal axles, they are certified. We're actually certified through Canberra, so it's a national certification. So with the portal axles, the ground clearance, the tyre size, we are 100% legal. So this here, as it rolls out the door, it will go back to Toyota and Toyota will register the car. So it'll be registered as a Mark's four-wheel drive portal axle Land Cruiser. Here we've got another car. It's a Toyota Land Cruiser with portal axles. It's a 2016 model. The customer's name's Glenn from Trek Electrical. Really nice, well set up car. He's just been over to Western Australia and driven the Canning stock route, and he's brought it back in here to us to actually just go over the portal axles and service it. So as I've said, the car's done 75,000 Ks and it still looks brand new. A really nice car. All right, thanks for watching us today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our facility here. If you need more information, please give us a call or find us on social media.